the punishment of Allah is the truth. And I want to let you know something serious. There are several types of sins, the two main types of sins, those sins you commit between you and Allah. For those, you can seek Allah's forgiveness. Oh Allah, I committed this sin. Say for example, a person who drank alcohol, it's very bad, it's a major sin. But you seek the forgiveness of Allah, you quit the addiction, Allah will grant you forgiveness. How many people have been hooked on the bottle in the past and today they wouldn't even want to look in that direction? They've changed their lives. How many were on drugs? Today they read a Quran, they became huffaz of the Quran, they changed their lives. People do change their lives. It's the help of Allah. How many were far away? Look at the Sahaba radiallahu anhum. Before Islam, in Makkah al-Mukarramah as well as in Medina, alcohol was rife. What else? There was engaging in the worst of sins known as shirk. They worshipped sticks and stones and everything else. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks about how they changed their lives because of the guidance that was given by Allah. May Allah guide us all. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, Alhamdulillahi alladhi hadana lihada. All praise is due to Allah for having guided us to this that we have right now, this deen. All praise belongs solely to Allah for guiding us to this religion, to this faith, to this belief and conviction. وَمَا كُنَّا لِنَهْتَدِيَ لَوْلَا أَنْ هَدَانَ اللَّهِ. We would have never been guided had it not been for Allah to have guided us. So thanks to Allah. So my brothers and sisters, people change their lives. So when you have committed a sin between you and Allah, be it adultery, fornication, be it for example gambling, be it meaning intoxicants, alcohol, drugs, clubs, whatever else it may be, those are major sins committed between you and Allah. You seek the forgiveness of Allah, He will wipe it out. Your life can change and will change and shall change, just like many have changed. But don't delay, because you don't know when you're going to return to Allah. Seek the forgiveness of Allah on a daily basis. The punishment won't come in your direction. وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ مُعَذِّبَهُمْ وَهُمْ يَسْتَغْفِرُونَ. Remember this verse. Allah's punishment was not going to come to them when they are seeking the forgiveness of Allah. From that we learn, while you're seeking the forgiveness of Allah, if something negative happens, it's not the punishment of Allah. I'm seeking forgiveness. I'm trying to be a good person. This cannot be punishment. Because what did I do? This is a test from Allah. It's a challenge, it's an opportunity to gain further closeness, to gain closeness to Allah.